of the origin. Mad Dog Myers is always looking for a fight, and they have invoked absolute tear lately here in VCW.
Missed the last time.
Lose them here on the first night. Hard drinking fellas.
Perfectly clear.
On their side. Pressure on Mad Dog Myers.
Innovative offense.
And Garyt Lee, the one-man wrecking crew, take here and wait instead.
Look out. Oh, man.
Mad Dog Myers was not tagged into the match. I am restarting this match.
Have the Weagle men in there for a decision to take.
Becoming your brand new tag team champion.
Sorry, Jason. It was a fight. It was a fight.